Hi, I'm your neighborhood Escherichia coli, and I'm here to tell you that what goes on down here can actually affect what goes on up here. Started with French chemist Louis Pasteur. He played with some silkworms. No, he did not eat them, but instead he studied them at a microscopic level to find out if the bacteria was responsible for their disease. He found out they were. But now we know. Bacteria is neither good nor bad, protagonist nor antagonist. Instead, it's just a part of our body that we are learning more about every day. Like, for example, they have been studying the ENS, or enteric nervous system. The ENS is a massive web spread over your entire digestive tract. In fact, they have discovered that it's actually connected to your CNS, or a central nervous system, through something called the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is practically a superhighway between the brain and the gut. But researchers still had a lot of questions. So in their 2004 study, they compared germ-free mice with specific pathogen-free mice. They discovered that the germ-free mice were much more stressed when put in a restraining environment. Not only that, but the germ-free mice lacked the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, otherwise known as BDNF. BDNF is responsible for how animals react to stress. But the researchers continued their study. In fact, they found in a study from 2011 that exposing the microbiomes of other mice to germ-free mice could actually influence their behavior. This influence in behavior corresponded to an increase of the BDNF protein. So therefore, the different microbiomes actually managed to change the brain chemistry of the germ-free mice. Additionally, the microbes in your gut can create a bunch of different chemicals that can actually affect your brain. One popular one is serotonin. Serotonin is responsible for changes in mood, and actually up to 80% of the serotonin in your body is created in your gut. Therefore, the chemical messengers in your gut can actually affect you on a cognitive level. Unfortunately, however, these studies were conducted in mice, and humans obviously are not mice. So they did a study where they gave humans various probiotics and prebiotics. These people experience a change in their mood, which points to there might be a relationship between your microbiome and your mental health. Now scientists are using this information to see if it can help in medical treatments in the future and see if it can help those afflicted with mental illness. So although the future is still unclear and we have a lot to learn, perhaps this gut-brain connection can help in treatments for those afflicted with mental illness in the future. And I think we ought to keep researching because I have a gut feeling about this one.